Marvin Garcia, store manager here in Oishi po. Bali, nag-originate siya sa General Santos. Sa Pampanga, dito sir, isa pa lang siya. Pinaka number 1 namin dito is ramen talaga. Pero aside sa ramen sir, we also serve sashimi, handmade gyoza, bento box, and also the donburi sir. We do have tantanmen, shoyo, white truffle, ebitonkotsu, which is seafood ramen, and then we do have naruto. So all in all, we do have 5 varieties of ramen. Ang top 1 namin sa ramen, which is yung tantanmen, mild spice of ramen. Number 2, which is yung shoyu tonkotsu sir. Bento box, it serves with rice. And then you can choose like chicken, pork, tempura bento. So as you can see, we do not make it over-decorated. Very simple lang, like Japanese mothering. We are located here at Galaxy Plaza event, Valdez, Florida, Blanca, Pampanga po. From Monday to Thursday, we open 12 noon to 10 p.m. Friday to Sunday, we are open from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. sir.
If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and when you share it, make sure na itag nyo yung best friend nyo or family member nyo na mahilig sa mga Japanese food. Thanks so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out. Cheers guys. Busog na busog ako.